So here it says use logarithmic properties to expand each expression as much as possible. So notice here you have one logarithm. So after expanding, we should have more than one logarithm. So we look at the first one. We have x to the fourth being multiplied to the cube root of y. So I can separate these using addition. So this would be using the product rule, log b x to the fourth plus log b of the cube root of y. And so now we can apply the power rule. So the 4 will come to the front. And here, since I have a root, I can rewrite it as a exponent as a fraction. And so I can bring the fraction now to the front. And so this would be our expanded logarithm. Okay, so what this means is the original log b of x to the fourth times the cube root of y is equal to 4 log b x plus 1/3 log base b times y. Okay, let's try letter b. So for letter b, I can rewrite this as log we have division, so I can separate this as log 5 square root of x minus log base 5 of 25 times y cubed. So log base 5 of square root of x, I can rewrite as log base 5 of x to the half power, half being that the square root, the index is a 2, so this would be a fraction half as the exponent, minus, I'm going to write parentheses here. Notice that I have 25 times y cubed, so I can separate those into using the the product rule. So we're going to have log 5 of 25 plus log base 5 of y cubed. It's important to put the parentheses because the subtraction is applied to the entire thing. So now we're left with, I'm going to take the exponent to the front using the power rule. I'm going to distribute the negative into the parentheses. So I'm going to have minus log base 5 of 25. And I'm going to apply the power rule for the y cubed. So negative times log base 5 of y cubed would be negative. Bring the 3 to the front using the power rule. And we want to check if we can simplify anything in here. So notice that we have log base 5 of 25. So if we look at this right here, the power for 5 would have to be 2. So 5 times 5 will give us a 25. And you can convert this to exponential, or you can think of it as log 5 of 25. We could rewrite it as log 5 of 5 squared. Since this is this base and this base here are the same, then our answer is the power of 2. And so this would be our expanded answer for this logarithm. So log 5 of square root of x divided by 25 times y cubed is equal to 1/2 log base 5x minus 2 minus 3 times log 5